Another day, another job. Housekeeping for today tayo mga boss idol. Cleanliness is the best. Before, during, and after. Kailangan ng housekeeping sa ating workshop. Please like my YouTube channel. I am a small creator. Please support my YouTube channel, mga boss idol. Thank you so much for watching all over the world. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless you all.